guys, what's up? So MODA Brushes was kind enough to send me a little package. I'm going to open this up with you guys, show you what's inside, and then we're going to do a little makeup tutorial. So if you'd like to see what's in the box as well as the makeup tutorial, then just stay tuned. All right, you guys, so MODA Brushes has a new collection, and it is the Cherry Blossom collection. Of course, they are dirty because I used them for today's look, but they are stunning. All right, so first we have the 3-piece Cherry Blossom kit. This kit includes a full bloom powder brush, a blooming blush brush, and a budding contour brush. And you guys, let me open these up so you guys can see. These are so adorable. They look like a little flower. Isn't that so cute? When I saw these, I fell in love. They are so adorable. Next, we have the 5-piece Cherry Blossom Eye Kit. And this comes with a mini setting blossom brush, a crease, a shader, a detail, and an angle liner. These blended out my eyeshadow like a dream, you guys. So not only are these brushes adorable for the obvious flower, but the handles are beautiful as well. It's got an ombre from like a pinky color to a brown. And then this is kind of textured. So stunning. And just like every other MODA Brushes brush set, these are 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Excellent for wet and dry product. They have waterproof silk touch handles, professional quality filaments, and aluminum secure filaments. But without further ado, let's jump into the makeup tutorial using the Cherry Blossom collection from MODA Brushes. All right, so first I'm gonna start out with the Full Bloom powder brush. This is so cute, you guys. And I am just going to apply powder all over my face to set it. I already did underneath my eyes just so they wouldn't crease. But yeah, I'm going to just apply some loose powder all over the face. Oh, super soft, just like every other MODA brush. So soft. All right, now I'm gonna take the budding contour brush. Super cute. Love it. And I am just gonna contour my face. Look at that blend. Oh my gosh. I love how it's textured because I feel like that is helping it buff into the skin better and creating a seamless blend. This is beautiful. All right, now I'm going in with the blooming blush brush. So super cute, oh my gosh. And I'm just going to apply a little bit of blush. All right, so first I'm taking the crease brush, and today I'm gonna be using the Thebriabeauty Mystic Romance palette to do this kind of go-to look. I'm gonna take the shade Rose, and that's just gonna go right into my crease, and we're gonna blend that out. I have literally been doing this look all the time. When I want to look put together but don't want to sit there and spend forever on my makeup, this is the look that I've been going to. I wore this look to brunch. I've been wearing it to gigs. I think I even wore this to parent-teacher conferences the other day. My oldest had his birthday party last Saturday, and I even wore it there too. Right now I'm gonna go in with Fog. And we are gonna use the shader brush for this. And I'm just gonna apply this right into the crease. Taking Sacred, I am just going to use our angle liner brush and apply this right underneath my brow on my brow bone area. Now I'm gonna take the shade Haze, which is that shade right there. It's almost like a purpley brown. It's a very beautiful shade. And I'm just going to apply that right here on my outer corner, on the outer corner of my lid. Taking a brown liner, I'm going to go ahead and line my eye. This is the Shades by Shan Brown Sugar Liner. And what's fun about this look is you can literally use any color liner and it will give it a whole new kind of feel. Now I'm just going to reverse those shades and put them down here on my lower lash line. Taking a little bit of Starry and putting that on my lid. I'm just gonna use my finger for this. And then that inner corner, we're gonna put that cream color again, Sacred. And then down here on this lower lash line area, I'm gonna go in with Celestial, which is a really pretty shade. And I'm just gonna take that on the angle liner. All right, so I applied some mascara. This is the Idol Lash by Lancome. And now I'm trying out the Idol Liner, Ultra Precise Waterproof Liner by Lancome. And this is a brown. So I was like, ooh, let me use this so I can match my waterline. So I'm just going in with this, and you guys, it is beautiful. And you know what? I think I'm even gonna add some faux freckles with it. Let's just do it. Adding some lashes, and this look is complete. I'm just gonna add Lancome's Burst of Joy lipstick, and then we'll be fully done. And here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed my go-to makeup tutorial as of lately using the new Cherry Blossom collection from MODA Brushes. You guys, MODA Brushes has something for everyone. They have so many brushes to choose from, so many tools, so many travel cases. Just go check them out. Be sure to tell them I sent you, and if you would like to save some money, you can use my code, which is on screen now or in the description box below. I just want to say a big thank you to MODA for sending me this beautiful collection to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.